We now listen to our distinguished parent guest this morning as she gives her response. We have Miss Barbara Jean D. Rodriguez, mother of Rafael Achilles Micael D. Rodriguez, rank A, Principal Space Awardee. She is a graduate of St. Mary's College, Quezon City, grade school batch 1991 and high school batch 1995. She is the founder and general manager of Brainlink Tutorial Center. Let's give her a round of applause.
To our school president, Sister Maria Hilda M. Peñafiel, RVN sisters, extended President's Council, service unit heads, Madam Marilyn M. De Castro, our basic education principal, academic council and faculty, non-teaching personnel, guests, parents and guardians, graduates, good morning. Praise be Jesus and Mary. Hi everyone, so I am Jill Rodriguez. I am also a Marian, an alumna of SMC grade school class of 91 and high school class of 95. I am a licensed medical technologist and used to work in the medical city. But the calling of teaching got me, and so I shifted into teaching. I took up my master's course in UST, and now I am currently enrolled in the University of the Philippines, taking a professional teaching certification program. I have been into teaching since 2003. Then in 2017, I decided to establish Brainlink Tutorial Center to cater to the kids' tutorial needs. We started with just a few number of enrollees, but because of the quality education we provide to our students, the number of enrollees increased. We now cater students around the Philippines and even around the world via our online platforms. And we are deeply humbled by all the positive reviews from our parents and students. My family has a very special connection with St. Mary's College, because all of us in the family, the five of us, are all proud alumni of St. Mary's College, Quezon City. My husband, Richard, there, we were classmates during our elementary years. That was 1985 when we first stepped to St. Mary's College. And we were even fortunate to have Madame Zenaida Eloy there. She was our grade 3 advisor then. We also had Madame Evelyn Larisma, who was one of our subject teachers in grade 4. And also Sir John Mora, who was one of our subject teachers in grade 5. However, during our time, St. Mary's was an exclusive for girls school in high school. So the boys then had to transfer school. My husband passed and studied in Philippine Science High School, Diliman. And I was left in St. Mary's College. And so the rest was history. Now the three of us, now we have 3 kids. All of them, our 3 kids, studied here. Our eldest, Ricardo Aquino Miguel, was a member of SMC grade school class of 2015, and he is now a 3rd-year college student in the University of the Philippines. Our second, Jan Akira Micaela, who was very popular during her time here in SMC, was a member of SMC grade school class of 2020, and is currently a 10th grade student in Philippine Science High School, Diliman. And last, but definitely not the least, our youngest, our bunso, Rafael Aquiles Micael, is among the graduates here. One of the principal's lister passed the admission test and will soon study in Philippine Science High School. Many are asking, what is our secret for having such smart kids? Tanong nila, anong bigas pinapakain mo sa kanila? Ano pinili mong gatas nung maliit sila? Well, seriously, what we did, especially me because I was their teacher and mentor at home, I helped them develop good study habits. Because instilling good study habits in kids is very crucial for their academic success. I always ask them to start reading and studying before the discussion on a particular subject matter starts. I discourage cramming. I always tell them to study in advance, even though there are no scheduled tests. I let them do their school projects, their assignments, and performance tasks by themselves. They do their assignments, they study their lessons, and they review for their tests by themselves or with just minimal supervision from us. Hindi po ako nakikialam or maybe konti lang, kaya wala po akong alam sa nangyayari sa MS Teams ng St. Mary's. I do not spoon-feed my kids because I want my kids to develop a keen understanding of the problem, resourcefulness, patience, and most of all, critical thinking. Because they must learn how to be independent when it comes to studying. I don't want them to be dependent on us all the time. I want them to be academically prepared as well as be confident on their abilities to face any trials, hardships, and challenges that may come their way when they enter high school. So the grades and academic standing they have now is all because of their own effort. Also, I always remind them to not to compete with their classmates. I tell them this, do not compete with others, don't mind them, do not mind their answers. Just challenge yourself by setting your own goals. Try to improve yourself every day. Be the better version of yourself than yesterday, because competing with oneself can make oneself happy and successful. Moreover, we also encourage them to engage in extracurricular activities. So we enroll them on various summer camps na gusto naman din nila. Like sports, example, the basketball, the badminton, the taekwondo, and swimming. And also in dance, robotics and coding, and student leadership. Now our kids are varsity players of their respective schools. Remember, education isn't just about textbooks. It's about holistic growth. And so, as I reflect on the time when I was a student at St. Mary's College, and now as a parent making Hatid Sundo from 2009 to present, I am filled with immense gratitude for the impact it has had on my life and on the lives of my children. I want to express my sincere thanks for the quality education St. Mary's College have imparted on us and on our kids. The knowledge, the skills, and the virtues we gained during our years in SMC have been invaluable. Through the lessons, the knowledge, the skills, and virtues we have shared and imparted on to our kids, our children were able to pass science high schools. The three of them, my three kids, they are and were all science scholars, and I'm proud to say that. They are now on the best school, university in the country, and that is because of the good foundation St. Mary's College has given my kids. Thank you so much, St. Mary's. Thank you too to our teachers and my kids' teachers, the staff, and fellow students for creating a nurturing environment for everyone. Their unwavering support shaped not only our academic journey, but also our character. Beyond academics, SMC taught us life skills, how to lead, adapt, cooperate, and adjust to life's challenges. These lessons extend far beyond the classroom and have been instrumental in our personal lives. As I move forward, I remain committed to supporting SMC's mission, whether through public speaking like this, volunteering, attending alumni events, or contributing financially. I want to give back to the institution that gave my family so much. Thank you, St. Mary's, for shaping us into the persons we are today. May your legacy endure and may future generations benefit from the same transformative experience. To our graduates, congratulations and good luck on your new journey. Graduation is just the beginning of the amazing journey that lies ahead. As you graduate, remember that the world is yours to explore and conquer. Remember to stay curious, keep learning, and embrace every challenge. You've got this. Again, thank you St. Mary's College for the fond memories from 1985 to this day, for the knowledge and skills you have imparted on us, the values SMC has instilled on us, integrity, resilience, humility, patience, kindness, faith, excellence, and service will always continue to guide our paths. We are proud to call ourselves Marians. We all bleed blue. You will always be in our hearts, St. Mary's. So muli natin pagkikita, our dearest alma mater.
Thank you.